How to create a new Apple account. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new Apple account. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is go to the Safari search bar and search for Apple account. And this is the website that you need to open. So make sure it's authentic. I have even linked this website in the description below for easier access. And after that, once you're in this website, you're going to click on reset password. And after that, once you click on reset your password, you'll be redirected to this interface. So what you're going to do is click on this arrow over here and then just click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, you'll be able to see an interface that will look something like this. So you're going to click on this arrow again and click on create your Apple account. And then you'll be redirected to this interface. So you're going to type down your first name over here. So I'm going to type down the first name and then your last name. And then you're going to select your country or region. And after that, you're going to type down your birth date. So I'm going to type down my birth date real quick. And after that, after that, you're going to type down your email. So make sure that the email you type down over here is the correct one, because Apple is going to send a verification code to that email. So make sure that the email that you type over here is correct. And after that, you can just, type down the password. Once done, you can select your phone number code and you can type down your phone number over here. Once you've typed down your phone number, you can either select the method through which you can verify. Either you can verify using text message or your phone call, and then you can also check these checkboxes that says if you wish to receive notifications on your email. So here you're going to type down the characters. Now, if you really think that the characters are not readable, you can click on new code and then they will auto-generate some other new codes for you. So now if you can see that the code is readable, so you can type down the code over here and then just click on continue. And now here you can see that a verification code has been sent to my email. So I gotta verify that. So note that the code is different for every other person. So just type down the code that you receive. So once you have clicked on continue, you'll be able to see that your Apple account has been created. So now if you wish to sign in with that specific Apple account, so you can go to your settings. After that, you're going to click on your Apple account, and here you'll be able to see that you have already been logged in with your Apple account. So what you're going to do is just scroll all the way down, and here you're going to click on sign out. So just click on sign out and sign in with the new Apple account that you have just created. And that's it for today's video. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.